Okay, we're on our final circle, circle number 5. We have a radius. We know it's a radius because the line starts from the center of the circle and goes to the outer edge. The measurement is 9.2 yards. Now, I'm going to reference you all the way back to circle number 2 because it also has a radius. I'm going to also reference you to circle number 4. That also has a radius. So circle number 2 was the example that I gave you. Circle number 4 is what you used off of the example I gave you. Hopefully you did it exactly how number 2 was. You did number 4 the same way. Number 5, you're just going to do it one more time. Walk through the same steps. You're going to write your formula. You're going to plug in your numbers. You're going to solve for your circumference. Same thing with area. Write your formula, plug in your numbers, solve for area. I realize there are only 2 answers left. There should only be 2 answers left. You're going to drag them and drop them up here. Again, I will not accept this assignment if all you did was drag and drop these numbers into these boxes up here without showing your work. Do not tell me that you're going to show your work on another piece of paper, another slide, or somewhere else. Don't tell me that. Don't show me that. Unless you take a picture of it and you send it to me. Don't say, oops, I forgot. I will not give you credit. So the easiest thing to do is to type it here in these boxes. I've made it so you can do that. I've shown you how to do that. It's really easy. It also keeps everything together. Then you don't have to worry about trying to find it later. After you have finished circle number 5, submit this assignment in Canvas to me right away. So that way I can give you a grade for it and we can continue to bring your grade up. This is just a really easy, quick review on circumference and area when you have a radius or a diameter. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.